I feel like it's gonna rain any time now. Ducky. Good morning, this fine morning, Ducky. Ducky was taking a walk on the sidewalk while I walked up. So we're just sitting here together for a little bit. My bus isn't. This is Saturday, so my bus isn't even running for an hour. It's probably like 40 minutes at this point, but here's Ducky. We're having a slow morning. I'm having my soda. Ducky's just standing here. Hi, Ducky. Have you been having nice days so far? Oh, the babies are here. Ducky. The geese and the babies are here. I know they were here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one of the 5 baby parents. There's one other that has 5. No, there was a 6 and a 5. Now there's a 5 and a 5 because of that crow thing. But the other day there was a pair of geese that had 8 babies with them. Looks like these guys are right behind them. Why is there only like one baby? Why is there only one baby? These guys only have one baby with them? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 babies with these guys. Let's see here. 1, 2, is that 6? Is that 6, you guys? Or 5? Is this pair of geese over here only has one baby with them. Oh, that's sad. I don't think they ever have one baby. I don't know if they're babysitting it. Hi, Ducky. Good morning, Ducky. Here's the star of the show, Ducky. Na 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 na, Ducky. See ya, Ducky. Have a nice day today. So, when I came up, there was just a few seagulls, really young seagulls. I think this is the oldest baby right here. We have one. I know I had been saying for the longest time that we never have any 2, 3, or 4-year-olds. This looks like a 3-year-old potentially. I'm just saying that kind of estimated. And she's the only one that's been here like within a recent time frame. All these others are babies from last spring. And so we do have a few babies back again. For a while we had none, and now we have a 3-year-old-ish, probably 3. And these guys, I'm not sure what's going on with these babies. I don't know if they've lost a lot of babies. I guess that happens with Canadian geese a lot. Where did the babies just all disappeared? Okay. Babies all disappeared. This one is the one. Do you guys really only have one left? You've got to be kidding me. They only have this one baby with them. Oh. So Ducky's laid down now. He's just chilling. I don't have any birdseed with me. I put birdseed down pretty close to where this goose on the right side is standing, kind of over there. I think that was yesterday, and the geese came and kind of pushed their way through the seagulls and had their babies eat the bird seed. Yeah, that is 6. So I'm not sure what's going on because the other day there was 5, 5, and 8. So I'm not sure what happened. I think that's 6. Is it 5 or 6? It looked kind of like it was 6. So I'm gonna go so this isn't very long. Here they all are. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. Why is it 6? Maybe these are completely different geese. I don't know. I doubt it though. Is this the 8 babies now turned into 6? What's going on?